In this video, I'll show you how to join the Clash of Clans Discord server on mobile. From your home screen, press on this green plus icon to the left, and then down at the bottom, tap on Join a Server. Inside the invite link box, you're simply going to type Clash of Clans and make sure it's all one word and you spell it exactly like that or it won't work. And then press Join with Invite Link. You'll see you've been invited to join the Clash of Clans server. Press Accept Invite. That's going to load us into the server. First of all, there'll be some server onboarding when it's going to ask you 2 questions. The first one is, what are you interested in? So you can choose your own answer here. And the second one is, would you like to receive notifications? I'll skip this one. Read and agree to the server rules. And here we are, we've joined the Clash of Clans Discord server. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.